Well, today we're here to prove that you can do things that work for business, that are economically viable, when you have the right partnership to do the right thing.
Minnesota is a national leader in air quality, and there's a lot to be proud of. But federal air quality standards are becoming more stringent over time, and there's always work to be done.
EPA is continually revising their air quality standards, making them tighter and tighter as science improves what we know about the relationship between air pollution and health effects. And it's projects like this that have been helping us stay ahead of air quality standards.
Project Green Fleet, a voluntary program that provides pollution control equipment for diesel vehicles at a reduced cost to fleets, has been proactively improving Minnesota's air quality since 2005. The program is led by Environmental Initiative and the Minnesota Pollution Control Agency.
To date, we've been focused on retrofitting school buses, and last year we celebrated the retrofit of the last school bus in Minnesota that it makes sense to retrofit, so over 3,200 engines. If you add up the collective impact of all of those buses and all of the other engines that we've done since 2005, it's the equivalent of taking 750,000 cars off the road a year.
And through the financial support of founding sponsor Flint Hills Resources, Project Green Fleet has become the first voluntary program of its kind in the United States. Following the completion of retrofits on every eligible school bus in the state, the program has shifted its focus to cleaning up larger construction vehicles and equipment.
Really shows that what can happen when a diverse group gets together in a voluntary effort and gets focused on a common goal.
Continuing in the growing mission, Project Green Fleet expanded into Minnesota's waterways, retrofitting the engine in large boats, starting with the Becky Sue.
This one effort that we've made today is going to remove 20 tons of pollution from our air for years and years to come. This one swap out is going to remove the pollution equivalent of taking 12,000 cars off the road a year.
When we sat down at the table with Environmental Initiative, we figured out that they were able to do something that incented us to move this whole program ahead many, many years earlier than we would have done it. There are almost a limitless number of diesel engines that we think collectively we will be able to impact going forward. Through this program, we were incented to do the right thing sooner.
Project Green Fleet's past success and future impact is contingent on a public-private partnership. Project Green Fleet would not be possible without its collaborative spirit. Additional funding would allow Project Green Fleet to make a broader impact statewide, and you can help.
This is a victory for the environment, it's a victory for the economy, it's a victory for all of us.
Join us now at environmentalinitiative.org for more information and to see what you can do.